IPS, if it is allocated, you can appear again, but you cannot choose IPS. You can only choose IAS, IFS or the other service. So this is also not a new rule, it was already there. Do you remember the case of Divya Tamar? She was IPS on the basis of 2022 result, and on the next year she was expected to get IAS, but because of her EWS certificate which was declared invalid, she was treated general. Through general she was getting IPS again, but IPS was not allotted to her because she was already allotted IPS earlier. And earlier she was allotted Manipur cadre, so she was forced to join Manipur cadre. The only option left for her was to resign and appear in exam again, but that is a big risk. So if a candidate is allotted IPS, again you cannot opt for IPS. However, you can appear again in examination once. But if you are allotted IAS or IFS, you cannot appear again. Okay? I hope this is clear. But nothing is new here. This is same like earlier years. This is common. What is new? This is from here. New provisions introduced in 2026 onward. Only one time opportunity to reappear for all Group A allottee officers. Group A through civil service. If you have been allotted any Group A service, then you can appear only once more without resigning. If you want to appear twice, thrice or again and again, resign from previous. This was not the rule earlier. This is the rule first time. But still there are 5 services Group B. In your notification, 23 services are mentioned. Out of 23, 5 are Group B and remaining are 18 services Group A. So this rule is applicable to Group A, not Group B. I will tell you which are the Group B services. So a candidate allocated for IPS or any central service Group A in Civil Services 2026 may appear in CSE 2027 subject to the one-time exemption in joining the training. So how you will get the next year? You have to join the service, take exemption for attending the training, and then you can appear in exam, and in next cycle you can join the training. Your seniority will not be lost. Seniority will be counted on the basis of 2026 only. The 1 year time you will get to appear for 2027, but this is strictly for 27. Not like you can take 1 year gap and then appear in 28. No, in continuation, one attempt. अब यहाँ पर फायदा नुकसान क्या है कि जो around 35 to 40% selected students are repeated in the list. So the number of selected students will come down. It means the opportunity for the fresher students will increase. This is advantage. But what is disadvantage? After 1 year, you will be selected student. You will look forward for your better rank. When you look forward for your better rank, you will have only one option, only one opportunity. So multiple opportunities are not available. Right? एक तरह से तो अच्छा ही है. लोग ये पढ़ के बूढ़े हो जाते हैं. पढ़ना है, select हो गए, चलो भागो यहाँ से, निकलो, join करो. अच्छा, so the new person comes in. So that is one way. This is all about how you perceive it. It is a personal perception. For some people it is good, for some people it is not good. जो लोग select हो चुके हैं वो लोग disappointed होंगे कि they are looking for the better rank, better improvement, better service, but they are not having opportunity. And if they don't have opportunity, the opportunity is passed to freshers.